ute on the block. Meet the ultimate Kia Tasman. Built for Aussie roads, tough jobs, big trips, and weekend adventures. But here's the thing, mate. Once you start adding bull bars, winches, canopies, tools, towing gear and camping equipment, your Tasman needs more than just factory suspension. And that's where the ultimate suspension comes in. Come on, let's explore what they've got for this all-new Korean ute. The Ultimate Suspension purchased this Kia Tasman exclusively for research and development and became the first to release a range of custom suspension solutions for it. Let's explore some more. Come on.
At the Ultimate Suspension, we don't just sell and fit suspension kits. We engineer solutions by designing and manufacturing integrated suspension packages to meet all individual requirements. Whether your Tasman is for touring, towing, recreational or everyday family transport, we have a kit for you. The Ultimate Kia SCP kits enhance safety, comfort and performance by design.
There. The goal is simple. Greater bump stop clearance, giving better ride control, better stability, better comfort, and confidence. See this? That's rear airbag support. When you're towing, carrying tools, or loading up the tray, airbags help support the rear end and keep your Tasman sitting more level. Airbags don't replace the right suspension kit. They work with it. Now, let's start with the suspension system. The right questions are, can I lift my Tasman? And which suspension system suits how I actually use my Tasman?
Stage 1 is for the everyday driver who wants improved comfort, better control and more confident feel when he's driving. Stage 2 is for touring, perfect for drivers carrying moderate accessories and weekend gear who want a balanced ride and on-off-road. Stage 3 is for the tradies. If your Tasman carries tools, equipment or constant work weight, this is a setup that helps you. Stage 4 is for towing. Caravans, boats, trailers, towing places extra demand on your suspension. The right setup helps improve stability, gives you confidence and provides a memorable trip for all the right reasons. Stage 5 is for the off-roaders. More control over rough tracks, better damping forces from the shocks, improved clearance and options and suspensions tuned for real terrain, not just showroom looks. Stage 6 is the ultimate adventure setup for serious touring. Constant loads, long distance travels and owners who want their Tasman ready for the big lap, the bush, the beach and beyond.